Dear students, as we have completed the first chapter of your English reader, Monday Morning Blues, now we move on to the next chapter, The Tale of a Tale. If you see, the title of the story itself has two homophones. Homophones are two words having the same sound or the same spellings but different meaning. And you have read these words in the 3rd and 4th standard as well. Like plane, plane, sail, sail. In the same way, we have tale and tale here. So the first tale connotes story, and the second tale means an extension of the body that may be related to an animal or anybody. So here we have the story, and I hope you have gone through the summary of the story. Now let's move on to the exercises related to it. The first is B3. Here there is a chart given related to the friends of Swaminathan, because Swaminathan in this story indulged in a fight with his friends because he saw the word tail written on the blackboard, and then a fight between all his friends started. So his friends' names are P, Somu, Rajam, Shankar and Mani. So these are the names. You should be remembering them along with their character. Then the next we have B4, which states who said to whom. So it means that who said which sentence to whom in the story. So the first is, "Sir, please let us go out." Somu said this to the teacher. "What is wrong with you, you little rogues?" This was Mani who said it to his friends when he saw them fighting. The next sentence is, "No, I didn't, you." P said this to Swaminathan. The next is, "They call me Rajam's tail." So Swaminathan said this to Mani. And the last sentence is, P wrote tail, big tail on the blackboard. Again, Swaminathan said this to Mani. You have to find the reference of these sentences from the story. Because you have read it earlier, I am sure you would be able to find out the reference, and it is an exercise that you have to find out few more sentences said as in the form of narration in the story. The next is B5. It has the exercise like what happened afterward. We have solved it. Just take a glimpse of it so that you remember what and how it happened in the story. The first thing was Swaminathan entered the classroom. That was when he saw that the word tail was written on the blackboard. He got embarrassed, 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 उससे शर्मिंदगी महसूस हुई, and slapped P and Shankar. Mani and Somu took them out of the class instead of resolving the matter. Now this was when the teacher intervened, and Mani and Somu just excused from the teacher because he was polite, and they went out of the class to fight instead of resolving, यानी कि solving. उस लड़ाई को ख़त्म करने की जगह वो लोग बाहर चले गए. They started fighting with each other. उन्होंने एक दूसरे से लड़ाई शुरू कर दी. The headmaster resolved the matter. Then the headmaster had to come at the end and he resolved the matter. So these are the 3 exercises that you have to practice and do. The most important thing is that you have to practice the words written over here, and you have to memorize the difficult words as well along with the word meanings today. So that's your homework for the day. Thank you.